Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamalik Ba, and this is the Bitcoin monthly review. So I've been tracking the performance of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital asset that people can use to invest their monies in. By the way, this video is not a financial advice. It's basically for educational purposes. Please do your research before you venture into digital assets. Now, that being said, let's quickly look at Bitcoin's performance in the month of July, right? Let's click the 1 month. By the way, I'm using Google Finance. You can actually access it, and you can analyze any asset, including stocks, US stocks, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Now let's look at the 1 month trend, and we've noticed that Bitcoin had a negative return of 4.10%. What that means is if you had bought $100 at the beginning of July, you would lose some money, about $410. Now, the beauty of digital asset is you can hold this Bitcoin until you see a positive return where you've made perhaps some level of gains, then you can exit the market. Now, let's review last month. What if
Yeah. Excuse my daughter's interruption. Excuse my daughter's interruption.
Now,
My daughter's.
let me forward this video. Fast forward to
return
where I bought some Bitcoin. So I bought about $500.
So I'll go ahead and buy
$500
and keep this for the whole month and see how July will perform. Now let's go back to the spot wallet.
See how it works.
Now this is what I have in total: 624 BTC.
Pause the video. This was the value. It was $624
as of today. So let's see by end of month July.
It was $624, and this was the amount of Bitcoin I had, 0.024536. Now, I bought it last month, and I'll continue to monitor it until I see a decent profit in it, or I'll still hold it till perhaps from now to December. So this is like an investment I'm just doing to perhaps see how much return I can get from digital assets. Now let's go to Binance and let's look at the value of our Bitcoin. Now look at it. Like I showed you earlier, let's go to Google Finance. Bitcoin had a negative return, 4.10%. So it means the value of Bitcoin I bought last month will go down by this percentage. Now, if you recall, it was 624. Now it's 604, meaning I've lost about $20, right? Now, if I sell this Bitcoin back to dollars, then I've crystallized my losses. I will not do that. I'll continue to hold this digital asset in my wallet, because let's look at the trend. Let's expand the trend year to date, meaning if I had bought this Bitcoin in January, it means my Bitcoin would appreciate by 75 or 76%. What that means is if I had bought $500 or $100 in January, then currently my portfolio would be $176. That's massive, right? Just within 6 months. I have not seen any other asset in the Gambia that can give you this kind of returns, like T-bills or any other asset that you can buy. So this is something I'm watching closely. And like I said, year to date, from January to date, that's returned 75 or 76%. Now, even though this month, the month of July, I actually lost some money because Bitcoin had a negative return, right? That's it, 4.10%. So that's why the value of my asset went down. But I'll keep holding this. Let's see how it will perform in subsequent months. Thanks for watching. See you next month.
Like and follow for more content like this.